Here's something you're starting to see a little less of, and that, of course, would be steep walkways or sidewalks. This obviously wouldn't include driveways because you need to be able to drive up them. But these often present a problem, a few different problems. Safety, they're hard to walk up or down if they are too slope. And of course, one of the biggest problems of all is soil erosion. When it rains, the water usually floods down these paths and takes everything imaginable with it. Now, I'm just suggesting, going to throw this out there, that instead of using a steep sidewalk, you use a set of stairs. And in order to figure out what the set of stairs is going to be, like with the landing, you might need to refer to a book on stair building. Hey, I happen to have one. Go visit the website. Anyway, what you're looking at here is a set of stairs instead of a ramp, equally divided treads and risers. And, you can still see that the slope on the side hasn't changed. The stairs are just up a little bit, and of course this would require a handrail. And if you want to control erosion, you can always put some plants in that area that would actually control the erosion. The water is going to roll down the stairway, down the sidewalk, down the walkway to the stairway, and then down to the lower sidewalk walkway and continue on down its path. You're not going to be able to do much about that, but you will be able to control the erosion a little better on the sides of the stairs with different plants. And the fact that the stairs could actually be above the ground. If the stairs are above the ground, like you're looking at in the picture here, then the soil is going to stay away from the walkway. It's going, as long as it's lower. The water, when it runs down the side of the stairs or down the side of the stairs with the soil, it's going to simply stay on that side. You're not going to get a big mess on the stairs. Now, don't forget, you can move the stairway back. Hopefully this makes sense. I just took the drawing, moved the entire stairway back horizontally. You can position it to where it's going to be to your advantage, and you could always put a landing in there. I have the step tread sizes, or the step sizes are a little smaller and a little taller on the top. You will need to keep them the same if possible, and I don't want to go into that. If you have a landing in there, splitting it up, I'm really not sure what the rules would be, because the landing, if it was long enough, could actually split the stairway into two separate stairways, providing you with two different steps, or allowing something like that. But you'd need to check with that with your local building department for more information on that. Here's another illustration where the steps or treads are a little more equally sized, give you a better idea. And last but not least, if you have a longer slope, you might need to put a few sets of stairs in there up to a landing, and so on. So anyway, I hope this gives you a better idea, instead of just building a nice steep walkway. Now, don't forget, if you're designing something where you're going to need to use vehicles, you're going to need to drive trucks or golf carts up and down these things, you're not going to be able to put a set of stairs in like this. So you're gonna have to make sure that you don't, by solving one problem, create another problem also.